In Islam, there's no Shia Sunni. There's no Shia Sunni in Islam. I'll give the answer. I'll give the answer. I'll give the answer and then you're most welcome. In Islam, there is no Shia Sunni. What Quran says in Surah Al-Imran, chapter 3, verse number 103, وَاتَصِمُوا بِحَبْلِ اللَّهِ جَمِيعًا وَلَا تَفَرَّقُوا. Hold to the rope of Allah strongly and be not divided. We have to hold to the rope of Allah, the Quran, and the teachings of the Prophet, the Sahih Hadith. If you hold to them, then you are a true Muslim. There is no Shia Sunni in Islam. And there is no sect in Islam. The Quran says in Surah Anam, chapter number 6, verse number 159, O Prophet, anyone who makes division, who makes sects in the religion of Islam, we have nothing to do with him. Allah will look after the affairs on the day of judgment. And our beloved Prophet Muhammad said that there will be 73 sects in Islam. Out of that, only one will go to Jannah. The Sahabas asked, which one? Those who follow me and my Sahabas. Those who follow Quran and the authentic teachings of the Prophet. So, the Quran says, don't make sects. Our Prophet said, even though the Quran says, there will be some people who will make sects. How many? 73. The one who will be on the true path is one who doesn't make sects. So anyone who calls himself anything besides Muslims, the word is Muslim. Muslim means a person who submits his will to God. What was the Prophet? Was he Shia? Was he Sunni? What was he? He was Muslim. And the answer I gave to the earlier sister of Surah Al-Imran, chapter 3, verse 64, it says, فَقُلُوا شَهَدُوا بِأَنَّا مُسْلِمُونَ. We bear witness that we are Muslims. If you want to judge whether the Muslim is right or wrong, what do? You check with the Quran. Let him call himself Muhammad, Zakir, Sultan, Abdullah, no problem. You check it up if he's following the Quran and the authentic teaching of the Prophet. Bukhari, Muslim, authentic teaching, he's a true Muslim. If he goes against the true teachings of the Prophet, the Sahih Hadith of Bukhari, Muslim and all the other Sahih Hadith, and goes against the Quran, he is not a true Muslim. A true Muslim is a person who follows the Quran and the authentic teachings of the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So when you come to know, let him call himself anything. If he does not follow the Quran and does not follow the authentic teaching of the Prophet, he is not a true